This is a neem sapling which I found on my backyard. This plant probably 1 or 2 years old. Its scientific name is Azadirachta indica, commonly known as neem or margosa. Its fruits and seeds are the source of neem oil, which we used in our daily life. We're going to create a bonsai with this plant. To create a bonsai, we have to make a shape through wiring. But first we have to check the size of this trunk and according to which wire I have to use. This is the perfect time to wire this sapling. Its stem is thin, so we can bend it easily to any direction. While wiring, I suggest you to wire it loose. If we do a tight wiring, then the chances of wire bite is high and the wire mark will left behind on the trunk. To minimize the wire bite, I prefer loose wiring. And one thing, while wiring we have to focus mainly on wire and bend gently to any desired direction or shape. Let's start the process.